Hi there, in this video I'm going to share with you how to segment your email list for better targeting and higher conversions. But first, I want to invite you to a free training that I'm hosting where I'll be revealing the Magick method for generating leads and commissions on complete autopilot. In this web class, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your Magick method email list in under 30 minutes. Get instant traffic to build your list, and monetize every single click to get paid daily commissions, without having to find offers. And that's not all, I'll also show you how you can earn recurring commissions just by sharing your results with others. So if you're interested in learning more, be sure to sign up for the training using the link in the description below. Alright, now let's get into how to segment your email list. As I mentioned earlier, segmenting your email list is crucial to getting better results from your email campaigns. By dividing your list into different groups based on their interests, behaviors, and characteristics, you can send them more targeted and relevant messages. What is segmentation? Segmentation is the process of dividing your email list into smaller, more targeted groups based on specific criteria such as demographics, past behavior, or preferences. By doing this, you can tailor your email content and offers to each group, which can result in higher open rates, click-through rates, and ultimately, more sales. Why is segmentation important? Segmentation is important because it allows you to deliver more personalized and relevant content to your subscribers. When you send the same message to your entire email list, you run the risk of sending irrelevant or uninteresting content to some subscribers. This can lead to lower open rates, click-through rates, and ultimately, less engagement and sales. Types of segmentation. There are several types of segmentation you can use, including demographic segmentation. Dividing your list based on age, gender, location, or other demographic factors. Behavioral segmentation. Dividing your list based on past behavior, such as purchase history, email opens, or clicks. Psychographic segmentation. Dividing your list based on personality traits, values, or interests. Preference segmentation. Dividing your list based on subscriber preferences, such as frequency of emails or type of content. Segmenting your email list into different stages. In addition to the types of segmentation, you can also segment your email list based on where subscribers are in the sales cycle. There are typically 3 stages of email lists: cold, warm, and buyer. Cold email list. This is a list of subscribers who have shown some interest in your business but haven't taken any significant action yet, such as making a purchase. These subscribers require more nurturing before they are ready to make a purchase. Warm email list. This is a list of subscribers who have engaged with your business in some way, such as signing up for a free trial or attending a webinar. These subscribers are more likely to make a purchase but may still require some nurturing. Buyer email list. This is a list of subscribers who have made a purchase from your business. These subscribers are the most valuable and should receive the most personalized and targeted content. How to create segments. To create segments in your email marketing platform, you'll need to have access to subscriber data, such as location, purchase history, or past behavior. Most email marketing platforms have a built-in segmentation tool that allows you to create segments based on specific criteria. Best practices for segmentation. When segmenting your email list, it's important to keep a few best practices in mind, such as use relevant data. Make sure the criteria you use to segment your list is relevant to your business goals and your subscribers' needs. Don't create too many segments. Too many segments can make it difficult to create targeted content and may lead to lower engagement. Test and refine. Test different segments and content to see what works best for your audience, and refine your approach over time. Examples of segmentation. Here are some examples of how you can use segmentation to deliver more targeted and effective email content. Segment based on purchase history. Send targeted offers to subscribers who have made a purchase in the past. Segment based on email opens. Send a follow-up email to subscribers who opened a previous email but didn't take action. Segment based on location. Send targeted emails to subscribers in a specific region or city with relevant offers. So that's why it's important to segment your email list. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to sign up for my free training to learn more about the Magick method for generating leads and commissions on autopilot. Thanks for watching.